Yay. It's your boy, Mr. Shortbed. As y'all can see, we pulling up at Jimmy Taylor Machine Shop. So I gotta go check on my 6'2" heads, my 823 heads, and I'm dropping off a partner's 6'0", so I'll get back with y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, that sign again, y'all want to know where we go. Jimmy Taylor's Auto Machine Shop. Jimmy!
Hey.
What's going on, baby? That's Jimmy right there. Got a treat for you. It's a buddy of mine, 6'0". So what we want to do, clean it like you always do, hone it like you always do, new cam bearings, clean everything, polish the crank, the what's in the box?
Pistons.
Yeah, the pistons, clean those, and new piston bearings. I mean, piston rings, I'm sorry. And that'll be it.
All right.
Have you finished with my heads yet?
Yeah.
How they come out? What I owe you for them?
I had to go look.
All right, let me know so I can make sure I get all the money for you. But this what we do. This what we get. The train right here. Bro. Y'all see this? This Jimmy is the man around here. Y'all know that. Jimmy is the GOAT. You need some work done? You holler at Jimmy, baby. Let go.